Here's the crew. And Trooper. Hi, Trooper. He's our newest little guy. And Sammy's our newest little girl. Hey, Sammy. Aw. Sammy just wants pets. Look at a cute little girl. Hey, Sammy. All right, let's go for a walk, guys. Come on, let's go. There's my dog, Muggs, the white boxer. Come on, guys.
Come on, guys. Seamus.
Here's the Seamus. Hey, Chucky. Of course, my dog, Chucky, never comes. Come on, Chucky. Trooper. Trooper's graduated to drop leash, and so is Sammy in their second day. Come on, cuties. And we got Cody and Mochi with the cute haircut. And Farah and Chloe, who are staying at my house for a couple days. All right, come on, guys. Let's go for a walk.